Alright, good morning guys. We are at my 9 to 5 job and it's a perfect time. It's 6:22. The sun is barely starting to come out. You can see like the pink clouds and everything. I think it's really nice. So I figured, why not just record so you guys can see the wonderful sky, the 6:30 a.m. ambience of driving in the freeway, in the streets, seeing all the cars, all the people that are going to work. And you know what? It's 6:30. I need my energy. So this is Bloom Juicy Orange. Let's take a quick little sip and then we'll be on our way. Yes, sir. Oh, that tastes good. Reminds me of those orange sodas, kind of like Fanta. Do you guys say Fanta or Fanta? I don't know. Alright, let me just make sure there's no people walking, because you never know. There's a car. Man, yellow light. Right now I'm on Sunset Boulevard. And to be honest, I don't even know the city that I'm in. I think this is North Hollywood. The drink that I want to try is the Ghost 7-Up drink. I saw it and I was like, hey, that looks like a good flavor. So I want to see if I can find it and try it out for you guys. But so far I haven't even tried looking for it. I don't even know if it's at Walmart. Should I try going to like GNC or Vitamin Shop? Try not to crash here. Let me go a little back. I feel like I'm too close to the steering wheel. You know what? Let me put the steering wheel a little high so you guys can see it. gosh. I felt like I was holding my breath the entire time, just trying to drive. You guys smell that air? Fresh air. Morning air. Oh my gosh. You must be born again. Holding up traffic because of the trucks. Oh man, I came at the wrong time. Let's see how long they take. Oh, there you go. Let's go. It's a good thing that light stayed green for a long time. Let's be careful here because there's a lot of trucks here. Oh my gosh. Oh no, please don't hit me. Please don't hit my mirrors. Oh my gosh. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. Fat burger. Oh no! Oh my gosh! I need to pass this truck. Alright, let's go, let's pass them. Alright. on, van. You gotta speed it up. Why are you going so slow? Why are you driving so slow, man? Three, two, one. Can we make it? Yes, we can. Dude, I forgot my watch. And I keep looking at my watch to see like the time, but I forgot it. Look, you can see my tan line right here. We're pretty much here at the second location. It's gonna be just down over there. Oh my gosh, did you guys enjoy the freeway vibes at 6:30 in the morning? If so, then like and subscribe and click all the other videos that YouTube is gonna recommend right here to the sides, and I'll see you guys on the next one.